If you have the courage, tell me this. When we cut this, will it reveal an apple or an orange? Those who think it will reveal an apple, like this, and comment A. And those who think it will reveal an orange, subscribe to the channel and comment O. Let's cut it and see whose answer is correct. Big celebrities get all the likes, but today, let's see who likes this for their mother and subscribes to the channel while commenting with this emoji. Friends, if it's an orange and your answer was correct, make sure to comment.